and welcome to our next lesson of guitar, which is our last theme for this term. Today we have a special superhero that I'm sure we all know and we all love because he's been there for a very long time, since the 1960s. And yes, let's stop yapping and let's hear what it sounds like. So that is our friendly superhero who is not from this planet. So that means it's not our neighborhood superhero, so it's not Spider-Man. But it is our Superman theme, straight from another planet. But he is not immune to everything. He is immune to kryptonite, but that doesn't matter. So let's get straight into it and let's learn the Superman theme. All right, everyone. So this piece has three main parts. So we're going to have our intro theme. We're going to have our build-up, then we're going to have our chorus, okay? So intro, build-up, chorus. And the intro will also be the same as the outro. So starting off, we're going to have this note over here. We're going to play the 7th. And what you'll notice is we have this shape where like our index finger's on the 5th fret of the D, ring finger 7th fret of the G, pinky on the 8th fret of the B. We're going to be moving a lot between this shape. So we're going to have... So what am I doing there? I'm going 7 on the G, 7. So I'm going 7 on the G, then I'm going to 5 on the D. So I'm going 7, 7, 5, da, da, so da, 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 da. So 1, da. So 1, 2, 1. Come back there, then play that twice. Then I come to my pinky on the 8th fret of the B. Then I move up that shape. So 8 on the B, 7 on the G, 5 on the D. So then I do that again. Then the second time after I've done that, I come down all the way to the 7th fret of the high E. So I go 7, 5, 5 on the high E. So slowly. Then I just repeat that same thing. Then after I do that the third time, this is what's going to take us to our build-up. I'm going to go 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, all right, on the D string. Then my pinky's going to come on the 8th fret of the G, then ring finger on the 7th fret of the G. So... this move, we're going to keep doing it whenever we're moving out of this verse, out of this intro. So, and we go straight to our build. Alright, so let's put all that together. Let's put all that together. 1, 2. Let's get into our build-up. So our build up is going to be on the 5th fret. You're going to play the A and D string together. You can either use the one finger or you can use 2 fingers. Okay? So if you want to use 2 fingers, use your middle and ring, and I'll show you why. Or you can even use these two. It's actually not an issue. But there's a good reason why I'd want to use this one. So we're going to go. So 1 or 2 and da 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 da. So this is the rhythm. Da 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 da. So a bit of a complicated rhythm. It goes down, up, 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 down, up. So slowly. Down, up, 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 down, up. Down, up, 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 down, up. Alright, and we're going to do that on the 5th fret of the D and G. Down, of the A and D. Down, up, 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 down, up. And we'll do that twice there. So slowly. Down, up, 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 down, up. Even slower. Down, up, 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 down, up. Notice how the parts where I'm muting it. Down, up, 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 down, up. Okay. Then I take the same shape, move it to the 3rd fret of the A and D. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And I only do that once there. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then I add this finger on the G string's 3rd fret, all on the same fret. I do that once. So far, this one twice. Up, down, up, down, up, down, once. Add the pinky, once. Then I take this shape and I move it down. Now you can also use your index, middle, and ring here. And I do that once. Alright, so down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then I'll move this shape back and put my ring finger. So my ring finger will slide to the 3rd fret. My index finger will come on the 2nd fret of the G. And I do it twice here. We have twice over here, once over here, once over here, twice over here, twice over here. So twice, once, once, twice, twice. So let me do it really slow. 3, go. Twice. Up, down, 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 up. Once. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Twice. Twice. And in full speed, it sounds like this. So which strings am I hitting? On this first one, I'm hitting the A and D. The second one, I'm hitting the A and D. But when I add my pinky or whichever finger you want to add, you hit the A, D, and G. So once. Then when I take it down here, I'm playing the D, G, and B. Then when I slide over here and the D is free, I'm still playing it from the D string. So D, G, and B. So these three, D, G, and B, D, G, and B. Alright? These 3 strings, D, G, B, D, G, B. When over here, A, D, G. So A and D string once. A, D, and G once. D, G, and B twice. D, G, and B twice. Then we go to our main theme. This is the chorus. Now let's try and put the intro and our build up together. So this is how it goes. Finger And then we get to our chorus. So our chorus is our main theme. When we go D, D, G on the 5th fret of the D, 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 G. All right, so D, D, G, D, D, G, 5, 5, 7. Then we hit that 7 again. 7, 5 on the B. 5, 5, 7, 7, 5 on the B. Then we do a pull off right over there. We go 5. We do a quick pull off from the 7 to the 5. Alright, so keep your index finger there ready for that pull off. Pull off the ring finger. Then put back the ring finger. So slowly. Even slower. Then we do that part again, second time. Then we go to the next part. So after we do that twice, we go hit that 5 again twice. Then we go to the 7 on the B string with our ring finger. Then we go to the 7 on the G string with our middle finger. And we do that twice. So far, twice, 2, 3, 4. To second part. We do the same thing twice. Then we come back here the third time. Play it twice on the 5th on the D. And we go 7, 5, 7, 6. Okay, on the B string. We do that third time. So we have. Then after we do that, we come to the D string on the 5th fret. We go down, up, down, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Then climb up to the 5th on the A, da. Then 3rd on the E, da. Da 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 da. Okay, so do 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 do. Third time. Here we go. Da 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 da. Then we do the whole thing again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. And then we're practically done with the song because we just go back to the intro as our outro, okay? So let's play everything we have in the chorus so far. 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Second time. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Then we go back to the intro. This is going to be the outro. Then we do this part again. And we finish there. We hold the A and D string on the 5th fret. Just like that. So let's put the whole song together. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, go. Go. Here's the transition. Change. Change. Chorus. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. So actually, I forgot to mention one thing. So 2, 3, 4. So when you're doing that second time, you want to make sure you pull off, and then you come down to the 5th fret of the B, then back to the 7th of the G. Alright, so you do this once. So 2, 3, 4. The second time. Alright? Come back down. Da, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 5, 7. Alright, that's the second time. Then you go. That's when you go there. Okay? So just remember that. Then you go to the next part. Alright, so let's put the whole thing together, nice and slow. Change. 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 Chorus. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Two, 3, 4. 2, 3. Back to the intro, which is the outro. Three, 4. Finish. So that's our Superman theme. Very fun theme to play and very full of energy and inspiration. When you actually listen to the theme, it's very inspiring. And a lot of our themes are supposed to be centered around inspiration and glory, like the glory of a superhero and how he brings hope to the nations and hope to the people. So this piece can be a little bit tricky, especially for that strumming part. But once you get the feel of it, you get the hang of it, then you just let it flow. And also that quick hammer, that quick pull off over here. So make sure you just sit around and practice your pull offs. Remember, pull off is a pull down on from the 7th to 5th, but make sure this finger stays down. But yeah, apart from that, it's very repetitive. So you have the intro, verse, build up, chorus twice, back to the intro. So it's when you learn those 3 parts, you're practically done with the song. It's just now arranging it. So practice this well. Have fun listening to it. Have a chance to listen to the actual theme. It's very, very fun. And yeah, get it good. All right, grade 6 and 7. Have fun practicing. See you then.